This lesson is on how to copy a line segment. There are a couple ways to do it. One way, if you're just copying a single line segment, instead of copying a combination of line segments and maybe subtracting the length of a third line segment, is to start with a point P. Using a compass, you want to set the radius of the compass to the same distance of the segment that you're trying to copy. Make a mark just to make sure that you're you're making an arc through that point. Then without changing the radius of the compass, set the point of the compass on the point, make an arc out that same distance, and connect this point to any point on this arc, and you will have the same length as the distance from A to B. Now, if you're going to use a combination of segments, maybe add them, subtract them, then you will want to start with array. My array doesn't have a name at the moment, but let's assume I want to add 2 ABs, 2 times AB, and subtract CD. I'll set my compass to that same radius from A to B, and I'll go out 2 times that distance. 1 and 2. And just to make sure my compass has not changed its radius, I'll go back and just check to make sure that's the same distance. So the distance from here to here is A to B. The distance from here to here is A to B. Combined, it's 2 times A to B. And then subtracting the distance from C to D, I need to set my compass to a new radius, check that that distance is actually C to D, and then working backwards from my last endpoint, I'll work back towards my original point, and I'll subtract that distance from C to D. So this is equivalent to this segment where I have 2 ABs and I'm subtracting C to D.